The Chica. The long 3 points. The long distance 3 points. The Chica. 3 points here. Talaok. Donere. Pass break down to Bermejo. Layup. For 2. 48 to 58. 10 points na ang laman. Donere. Inasang bigla kay Alvarez. La Chica. Bermejo. There's a baseline jumper. Palomo. The pass to Talaok. 2 points. Talaok. Bermejo. Chica. Tocabales. Dato la Chica. Ginordomo ke. Judo karate. Foul, number 19. Dakoy Cabales. Ito nakakuha sa insakto. Donere. Malapit bahagya. Letik in. Marena. La Chica. "13 seconds to shoot. Pull up jumper. With a pass by Talar. 54-58. Nasa apat na lang ang lamang. Dagol Cabales. Bermejo. Third foul. Number 12, Talar. Substitution. Pagdala na naman ng Buenos Aires dito sa Port Quarter. Ang dagdagan na isa. Free throw. Pangalawa. So, substitution. Finish. To Marena. Umikot si Marena. Lane violation.
Jay. Greetings.
7 seconds. Shot clock down to 8. The pass. Open. Set. Finish now. Ang ulan. Si Talaok, balik sa ilalim. Takbo mo. Score again. It's a lane violation. 56-60. 2 points. Apat alamang ng Buena Suerte dito sa fourth quarter. With 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Both teams, meron kayong tatlong timeouts. Inside pass, Dakota Mendoza. The big pass to Bermejo. Bermejo inside pass. Down. Kasichi. That's nice pass. 6 and 21 seconds. Tuloy-tuloy si Benere. Napasa ko dito kay Talaok. Ilalong triple. Ang bola. Pupunta dito kay La Chica. La Chica with cross-court pass. Down to Kasichi. Kasichi inside. With a reverse. No goal. Off the mark. Paloro. Change direction. And that's last touch. Bonus ready. Bermejo. With 5 minutes and 50 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Baseline to end. Finish. Strong. The Saints, but there's a violation. Main violation. With 5 minutes and 44 seconds. Kasichi to the Cabales. Dito kay La Chica. Yes. 3 points. La Chica. Warning for the Olympic ball. It's warning for the Olympic game. Number 19 Cabales. Donere. He lays up, recovers, the pass, Mendoza, with a pass break to Bermejo, dito kay Kasichi, 5 seconds, finish, Baseman jumper, short, Benere, he recovers against Cabales. This is good for 2. It's 1 more. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. La Chica. With a pass to Talao. Talao. She's the jump, she's out. The community Talao. And foul. That's jersey number 6. Mendoza. 4th foul. Mendoza. Time out. Second team fouls. Unang free throw ni Talao. Pasok. Second free throw by Talao. It's out of time. La Chica. Seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. La Chica, 9 seconds. He jumps. Pushing foul. Jersey number 14. Finish. Second personal foul. Second team fouls against San Juan. 3 minutes and 59 seconds remaining on 4th quarter. Baseline inbound. La Chica. Bigla nag-cut si Kasichi. Loose ball. Bermejo picks it up. Balikan Bermejo. Kasichi still out. Talao. Lepas Mano shoot. Finish. Kick out. Talao. Bisa jumper. 14. Number 14. Third foul. Oh, napapagod. Time out. Time out. Bonus 40. 6 points. 4 bonus 40. Last touch. Jumper. Kasi Chili. Wala. Tulis. Marco. Isa. Kasi Chili. Down the lane. Shot topper. Makes it 4-2. Birmingham 59-67. He's on the lead. He's on 8 points. Ito si Pinis. And then nakuha nito si Chica. Down to Birmingham. With a quick pass. Cassidy. 59-69. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Sampo naman ng Buenos Aires. Guadalupe. El pass to Dunere. Short again. Dunere reverse. Ito. Nakakuha ng foul. Kasi number 17. Second foul. The Chica. 30 fouls. Bonus again. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 59-69. Unang free throw. Dunere. Pasok. Second free throw. Dunere. Pasok ulit. 61-69. Nasa walang lamang. Lead pass ahead to Bermejo. 15 on shot clock. Bermejo. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 8 seconds on shot clock. 2 seconds. Just stepping to the line. Time left. 1 minute 42 seconds. 61-69. 8 points lead. Finish. Moves in. Bellow. Foul. Number 8. Mendoza. Third personal foul. Noli Mendoza. Third personal foul. Dalawang free throw pa dito kaya Jimmy Finish. Wala ang lamang. First event. Short. Second, free throw. Still out. This one, Marena. Magagawin sa rebound. Eto na kwa. Finish. With a fast break. Cassidy against Dalao. Cassidy, t-shirt. It's shoot. Dunere. Go 6 shot. Layup. Yes. 1 and 13 seconds, 63-69, 6 points lead for Buenos Aires. Layup again, Bermejo. Finish, he drives. Saved by La Chica Vistalao. Down to Bermejo. Dito sa left corner, jersey number 21, kasi Chief, balik dito kay Bermejo. For the pass to La Chica. Foul. Finish. Fourth foul. Finish. Warning for penalty. 41 seconds left. 38 seconds. Foul again. Donere. Penalty situation. First foul pa lang. Penalty. Second scored, 35.1 seconds. The clock is winding down. Marvena with the running shot. Doneres. Natapit ang bola. Doon si Kasichi. Cross court pass. Shot clock is 14 seconds. 12 seconds. Apat na foul si Talaw. Penalty. Pasok yung ona. Very Mendoza. Amin. 7 seconds. 5 seconds left. End of the game. Winner. Bola suelta.
Akin yan, kasi yung amin kasi yun.